Welcome to State of the Laundry Industry with Laundry Matt, episode 49. Laundry pickup and delivery is designed to grow. I just received this text message from a client. This really made my day. He texted me his March revenue and his annual revenue, and he said, "Record month, guys. Thank you for everything." And I replied back, "That's great to see. Congratulations." You could see the difference between this year and last year. This year is in green. He's at 40,000. And by the end of this month, he'll probably be at about 45,000. And last year, he did really good too, about $30,000. He's going to increase his year over year by about 50%, which is just incredible. And my brother wrote back, "That is fantastic. Love hearing it. Just think a year from now, 3 years, 5 years, where it's going to be. It just keeps growing." And that's the truth. This business is designed to grow. The reason why pickup and delivery is a retention business is because you keep the customers you have and you keep adding new customers to it, provided you have a strong web presence, customers can find you, and you do a good job. This owner meets all three qualifications, and that's one of the reasons why he's crushing it. Peter Lowen describes why pickup and delivery is a retention business.
Business model is fundamentally designed to grow because our pickup and delivery business, between 60 and 80% are regular recurring customers. As long as you keep taking care of those customers, and which is why I believe, customer service is really, really important in this business, then you keep gaining new customers. And so you keep gaining new customers on top of your existing customers. And so the model is designed for continued growth.
Thank you for tuning in. And don't forget to click like and subscribe so other people like you could find this podcast too. And if you'd like to learn more about the Curbside Laundry's pickup and delivery and wash and fold point of sale solution, go to curbsidelaundries.com. See you next time.